we are we are here at Jim Ellis Mazda to pick up the new ride. Khalil's right here, doing work as always. Okay, yeah, so we can see the new car from right here. Looks good. Let's go check it out. All right, my wife picked out the brand new Mazda CX-5. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. You should have though.
Okay, we can get this one?
Yeah, we can. Why not? MX-5 Miata. That would be nice actually. We have purchased the 2022 Mazda CX-5. Preferred? Is it preferred or is it, what is it? Premium. Premium, baby, premium. I want to give a huge shout out to Jim Ellis Mazda Marietta. Jim Ellis Mazda Marietta. If you're ever in the Atlanta area, Marietta, anywhere in Georgia, Alabama, whatever, you need a vehicle, check out Jim Ellis Mazda. I guarantee they'll get you right. Just ask for Jared, okay? Jared was our sales guy. Jared was awesome, all right? Jared, we do appreciate you. Next time, we'll be back, all right? We'll be back. Wow. It is. What you doing? What you doing? Okay. Let's run it back. Just like we never stop, y'all. This is the 2022 Mazda CX-5 Premium, all right? Premium got it right this time. And Mica Jet Black. Now, if I didn't tell you this was a different Mazda CX-5 than the one we had, you probably never know it, honestly. So this is a 2022. Our previous Mazda CX-5 was a 2017. They look almost exactly the same, but there are some subtle differences that are on this one that wasn't on the previous one we had. And we're gonna do a whole review video on those differences because there's a lot to unpack when you start digging into some of these things. This one is a lot more, how should I say, technologically advanced than our previous one. So we're still discovering stuff. One thing I wanna show you guys, check out this interior. Whoa. Whoa, talk about premium. That's premium luxury right there. And it's also gonna be great with the kids. We gotta figure that out. So I wanna give a huge shout out to Jim Ellis Mazda where we bought this Mazda. You guys were awesome, okay? Everybody we met, from our sales guy, Jared, all the way up to everybody we met. Everybody, all you guys. Everybody was willing to work with us. Everybody was great to work with. And everybody was really sympathetic with what was going on with us. So we do appreciate you guys. I mean, if I ever need a Mazda, if I ever need another vehicle, a Mazda, whatever, I'm coming to you guys, all right? So at the beginning of today's video where I had across the screen, I thank God. So the reason I said that was because of this angle right here. Now, I don't know what it is, but this almost looks like life has gotten back to normal, which is all we could ever ask for. I mean, it's been a rough 2025 to say the least. And I mean, it's only May, right? So, I mean, just looking at this angle right here, it looks like life is somewhat back to normal. So with all that being said, I realize I don't thank God enough for the things that he actually does for me. And that's probably the case with a lot of us. A lot of us, we kind of go through our daily lives and good things happen and we just don't take time out to thank God for those things happening. A lot of times we don't realize that God is the reason why those things are happening as well. So if you think about it on a daily basis, there's something that you can thank God for every single day. So next time something happens, something good happens, just take a minute out and thank God for it. Realize that he's the reason why it's happening and thank God for it. Today, I thank God, you guys, Motivation Crew, you guys have been so supportive, and I mean, it's more than I could have ever asked for. You guys have been so supportive. I mean, all your messages, all your comments, all your messages on TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. I know a lot of times people say, well, words can't express how I feel. Words really can't express how I feel. I really am thankful for you guys, the Motivation Crew. Like, there would be no Me and Karki's channel without you guys. And I mean that from the bottom of my heart. Thank you guys. Now, this is the plan. The plan for the Mazda. The plan is to do the epic build on the Mazda that we planned on doing on the first Mazda that we didn't get to do. So I'm happy that my wife chose this one, because before it felt like a job unfinished, and I hate starting something and not actually finishing it. You know what I mean? So it felt like that was taken away from us, and not any fault to our own, but it felt like it was taken away from us. So I'm happy that we have this Mazda here and we can finally do the epic build that we planned on doing. Unfortunately, things have changed since then, so it's gonna take some time and some savings and whatever, but we're gonna get to it, okay? So now I'm still standing out here in 90-degree weather because two reasons. Number one, I had to film this ending to the video because I never did one. Number two, I just washed the Mazda, and every time I wash one of these two vehicles, birds start circling this house. And they've been out here all morning, just flying in circles and circles. And that was the main reason why I watched the Mazda, because there was bird poop all over the front of the Mazda. So that's why I'm still standing out here. And see, they're going now. You don't see any birds anywhere in the area. But the minute I go in the house, the birds are gonna start circling the driveway. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the Mazda inside the garage, because I'm not gonna have it, all right? Thank you for watching another video on the Me and Karki's channel. Motivation Crew, that's me, that's you. That's what we do, y'all. Till next time, I see you. You hear him, right?